If you have zero coding experience, you're just like me. And no, we're not delusional. We just have the right tools. And by the end of this, you'll know those tools too. So the first thing we're doing is actually getting a domain name. So that's the www.whateveryournameiS.com, and then finding a hosting solution, whether that's Hostinger, Bluehost, or SiteGround, or GoDaddy. There are so many out there. If we're using Bluehost, for example, once you get it, you'll be able to install WordPress directly from the hosting. And then we have our fresh WordPress site. So this is how it looks like without any theme, and you can use it as is and customize it, but I highly recommend you get one of the themes. So go to Appearance, Themes, and you have so many themes to choose from, and they're all free. Of course, you can get a paid theme, but to start with, I highly recommend you get a free one just to play around, test, and see what works for you. So as you can see, there are plenty of themes out there for any domain, any sector you're in. So as you can see, there's the latest, block themes, favorites, and there are 8,039 in the WordPress directory. But we're going to look up Hello WP Stream theme. This is also a free theme, and it was specifically created for those who want to add streaming or videos or live streams on their websites. So I'm just installing and activating the Hello WP Stream theme on my fresh WordPress install. Now this is how the theme looks like without any demos, and we can simply customize it as is. But let's go ahead and install the required plugins because we want to actually add one of the demos. So like I'm showing you right here, I'm installing and activating every single one of the required plugins. And after I've installed all of these, you'll see that they're over here, with WP Stream being the most important one, but all of them are important. You can use Elementor and things like that. And now let's go to Appearance and import demo data. And here's our theme. And under the Hello WP Stream theme, you'll find 5 different demos. And these were specifically created for users that want like a Netflix-like website. So this is how it looks like if you want a movie or series or documentary type of website. Then there's this demo, the esports demo, whether you're into gaming or you want a more YouTube-like website. And if you're a church, we have 2 demos, and this is one of them. This is the church demo that you can install straight away. And then this is the live shopping demo. So if you're an e-commerce website that wants to add live shopping as well, or simply use the WooCommerce products, add WooCommerce products, that's what you use. And then we also have the Believe church demo. So this is the second church demo that we have. So as you can see, there are 5 demos, all of them are free. And in this video, I want to show you how to use the main demo. So let's install the main demo. And now we're going to click on Continue and Import. So the data is importing, and then this is how your site looks like once you've imported the main demo, the main streaming demo. And we have so many websites that we can create with these demos. All you have to do is customize the images, the text. So the structure and the formatting is already there, and you can customize this. So from the customize section, or you can use Elementor. So if I click on edit with Elementor, this is how it looks like. And from here, we can edit every single part of this site. So you can customize it however you want. So as you can see, I can change up the content, the number of items on each section. I can filter it, style it with different colors, different sizes, fonts, and things like that. So it's fully compatible with Elementor. It was created with Elementor. So you have so many customizable sections. And that is basically how you can get your website within less than 5 minutes. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know what you want to see next.